Whew, it's really pretty out there. So listen, let's pray that nobody steal the roses. The rose tree and them full. And when I say they full, they full.
How the white one
No, the white one are doing good at all. I go have to go back. You know what? I don't think I'll get a white rose tree anymore. I don't know where I'll get it from. But everything had buds on it. So pretty. You know, one man passed and he said, those birds and them eating all day. I told the guy, you know what? 10 pounds of food for the day we just give them. Isn't that how much we give them?
I don't know, getting close to it. What he said? Say you nut job, right?
He probably said that. But he didn't tell me that. But I so much food we just give them per day, 10 pounds. So, I had to meet up with a guy who just come and clean the yard. To explain to him I do not want this tree to be cut.
Talking about the hedge?
Yeah, the hedge. I want it to grow up a little higher. Today is Thursday. Yeah. Shouldn't they be out here today?
Supposed to be. Apparently they're not yet. Well, I guess they're up on the street to count. It's up there on Queen Street.
Yeah.
Where all the important people are, right?
They'll come see this bird with this white head. What type of bird he is?
Where's he at?
He in over there. By the car. He going under the car, sorry. You think they're gonna know that water for it to drink? I need to get something for it to swim in. When the sun hit the greckle head, it looks so pretty with the blue and green, huh? Oh boy, he open the wing if you see how pretty. The only thing I didn't do was sweep up out there.
Well, today is blow day, so if they do it.
They could blow?
Today.
No, I don't want them to blow out there, you know. I really don't want them to blow out there. Because if they blow out there, that means they blow in the sun and the food. So I could tell them, I could clean before they come to clean. That is what I'm going to do. Because that blower, when he blow, even the stone is blow away.
Yep.
It's really pretty. Oh my God, they're pretty. Well, what the brown one names again?
Browns.
The brown birds. The big brown birds.
The doves.
Yeah, where they at? I see them this morning. Did you see them this morning?
No. Can't say that I did.
Is my coffee ready? Is my coffee ready?
I think so. Let me check.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Dolly, you see how I'm turning the speed on the road, eh?
Well, the freeway.
What happened to 35 miles per hour?
I ain't getting enforced and they ain't worried about it. Just like all these people in the cities are stealing the stores and nobody getting arrested. So why not get some freebies, right?
Excuse my husband, guys. Well, yesterday I hear him snowing and today I hear him booping. Excuse him.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
It's okay, my fans don't mind. They say you're only human.